Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to join a private FPL league using the application and the website. I'll be showing you on both the platforms, so let's get started. First, let's go ahead and launch the FPL application on your device. Log into the specific account. Click on the Fantasy tab from the bottom of the screen, which is between latest and season. Now select the Join Leagues option with the plus icon that is under the section of Leagues and Cups. You'll be taken to this kind of page where you'll get two different sections, private and public. Under the private section, you'll get this box where you can go ahead and enter the private code provided to you to join that specific private league. Click on Join a League button, and if the code is valid, you'll be instantly added to that specific league. Besides that, we also have this section of public where you can go ahead and choose either classic or head to head, and you'll be automatically added to that specific league. Now let's go ahead and do the same in the website. Click on Leagues and Cups from the top, which is between transfers and fixtures. Here, select Join a League option under Leagues and Cups. Then you'll get two different options of join an invitational league and cup and join a public league. As we're looking to join a private league, which is the invitational league and cup, let's go ahead and select this one, and you'll get the specific box to enter the private code that has been sent to you. Go ahead and enter that code and click on Join League. If the code is correct, you'll be instantly added to that specific league. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.